Hey you guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the video. So today I'm going to be doing a Nykaa haul. So this is a special video, special because of our festivals. बहुत सारे festivals आ रहे हैं और साथ ही रक्षाबंधन बहुत ज़्यादा नज़दीक है. And this is also our first Nykaa haul video on the channel. So in this video जिस प्रोडक्ट्स को अभी हम देखने वाले हैं, जिनके बारे में भी हम बातें करने वाले आगे, तो वो सारे प्रोडक्ट्स काफ़ी ज़्यादा गुड क्वालिटी एंड अफोर्डेबल प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. एंड इफ़ यू आर समवन who is looking for affordable and good quality product, then of course this video is for you guys. So I know that you guys really want to see the product. Keep on watching the video.
Without any further ado, let's get into the video.
Okay, so our first product is this Wet n Wild Color Icon White Crayon Eyeliner. This is for 135 rupees and you are getting 1.4 grams of product. This is in the shade You Are Always White. Now let's see the texture. Very soft and smooth texture. It's really pigmented. We use white eyeliner to make our eyes look bigger. Just like I have applied it on my water. When you apply a white eyeliner to your eyes or to your waterline, it really makes your eyes look bigger and brighter. So this is also my first purchase of white eyeliner and I'm also using it for the first time. But you can do a lot of experiment with this white eyeliner pencil. I would definitely do in my upcoming videos. Now it glides perfectly and it's in pencil form, but you are not getting any sharpener with it, so you have to arrange that for yourself. All in all, I think for this price you are getting a good white eyeliner crayon. I really like this product. Okay, so our next product is this Lakme Insta Liner water resistant eyeliner. So this is for 130 rupees and you are getting 9 ml product. This is in blue color. This is actually electric blue. So let's see that. It takes 1 to 2 minutes to dry. I love this shade. It's matte and it doesn't have any glitter particles in it, and it's smudge proof. So again, you are getting a good, affordable and colorful eyeliner at this price. So I would recommend it to you guys. Definitely give it a try. This is a good eyeliner. Our third product is this LA Colors Day to Night eyeshadow palette. It comes in black colored palette with transparent cover. You can easily see the shades from the top. It has Day to Night printed on it. This palette contains 12 colors. The 6 colors are in the center. Some shades are matte while others are glittery. The brush is too small and it's not bendable at all. You need to buy a good pair of brush. Let's see the swatch. The shades are fine. It takes a little time to blend the colors. If not properly applied, it will give you a patchy look. The palette is pigmented, but there is a bit of fall. It's such a nice eyeshadow for beginners. This I got 275 rupees on 50% off, and you are getting 8 grams. I think it's great for its price, and the colors are absolutely amazing, and these are really pigmented, and I absolutely love this eyeshadow palette. The next product is this Swiss Beauty Baked Blusher and Highlighter. This highlighter comes in black cardboard square box. This is the packaging. All the details mentioned about the product. Again, transparent cover, so shades are visible. This combo of baked blusher and highlighter. The palette comes in 4 different variants and I picked the shade 01. Here's a hand swatch. The colors are quite pigmented and apply well. यहाँ पे आपको ऑप्शंस मिलते हैं जो कि यू कैन सी दैट यहाँ पे हाइलाइटर्स और ब्लशर्स दोनों हैं. इन द राइट एंड द लेफ्ट साइड ये जो दोनों दिख रहे हैं ये दोनों ब्लशर्स हैं, एंड ऑन द टॉप एंड ये बिलो दिस आर हाइलाइटर्स. तो यहाँ पे एक और भी ऑप्शन आपके पास ये है कि आपको डिफरेंट शेड्स में मिल रहे हैं, लाइक ये थोड़ी डार्क शेड, ये थोड़ी लाइट शेड ऑफ ब्लशर, ये थोड़ी लाइट शेड ऑफ हाइलाइटर एंड ये थोड़ी डार्क शेड ऑफ हाइलाइटर. So you get different tones of blushes along with highlighter. This highlighter retails for 252 for 7 gram of product. I am honestly not into shimmer blushes, so this is quite good. So you guys can give it a try. अब कुछ हाइलाइटर्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा ग्लिटर पार्टिकल्स होते हैं जो कि आपको बिल्कुल कार्टून जैसे दिखा सकते हैं, तो I really don't like that kind of highlight. So for that I have another highlighter that is really amazing, and that's this Nykaa Strobe and Glow liquid highlighter. Wait, let me show it to you. It comes in black cardboard box. All details of the products are mentioned on the box. The actual product comes in a glass bottle. This is what it looks like. It comes with a dropper applicator. It will be very convenient for you to take exact amount of the product. You can see the switch. Take just a little amount of the product. Because इसकी consistency काफ़ी thick है. So pigmentation is amazing. It doesn't have any glitter flakes. In my opinion, it is the best highlighter in this price. There are total 3 shades. Out of the 3 shades, I picked up this glazed bronze highlighter. So you can use this highlighter in different ways. You can mix it with your foundation, your moisturizer, your sunscreen. You can use it under your foundation, or you can use it as a normal highlighter, like you can apply it on the high points of your face just to highlight them. And now we have lipsticks. So moving on to the lipsticks, the first lipstick that we have here is this Nykaa's Maddelicious Lip Crayon. This is in the shade Jade Rose. Number is this lipstick comes in a cardboard box packaging, and with this you are getting a free sharpener, so you don't need to buy a sharpener. This crayon stick has color coated packaging, so all the details like manufacturing expiry are already mentioned. You can see the switch. I would describe this color as a rose brown shade. It's so pigmented, so buttery soft, and gives you a matte finish. Just one swipe is enough to get the perfect color. With the sharpener, it has a stick-like thing which will help you to clean after you use it. The actual price of this lipstick is $6.99 and I got it for $6.29 on 10% discount. The second lipstick that we have here is this Nykaa's Paint Stick. This is in the shade Rebellious Red and number is 10. Same cardboard packaging. It has all the information written on the box. This paint stick is color coded. Moving on to the formula. It's a really pretty red, glides on very smoothly. It's very pigmented. This is not extremely matte or extremely creamy. It is really comfortable to wear. This is my second purchase, so I can say that it doesn't last for a long time. Like, it does last maximum 4 hours. This is for 319 rupees on 25% discount. And the next is again from Nykaa's Paint Stick. This is in the shade Purple Monster. The number is 8. This is not from my recent purchase, but I wanted to share my experience about this shade. Packaging similar to the previous one. This is how the lipstick looks like. This is a quite purple shade. Bit warm tone purple. मैंने इसको लिया because of its color, but now I'm not sure about this shade. हमारे साथ ऐसा बहुत बार हो जाता है कि हम कलर देखकर कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. Actually, I'm not happy with this color, so I thought of sharing. Maybe आपको ये शेड पसंद आए. And it's matching with the background. So the next lipstick is one of my favorite lipstick, Nyka's Matte to Lust. Cute box packaging. I have bought full version of this lipstick. It has a clear plastic container. The full version comes at $5.99 with 5 ml of product. You can get its mini version for $2.39 with 1.2 ml of product. It is a very bold color, deep pink, more of a red with pink undertone. It's such a fabulous shade. When applied, the lipstick is creamy and glides with ease. It settles down matte and looks stunning. The formula is light, doesn't feel heavy on the lips. The lipstick stays 4 or 5 hours on lips. I am absolutely in love with this shade. The next product that I have is this lip gloss. Oh my gloss. This is the lip gloss. It just looks like this here. It comes in this kind of clear plastic tube with a black cap. I got it in the shade Love Bug. See a hand switch. It's like a pinky nude. This one is nice and neutral and a bit sticky on the lips, though it gives a nice shine. If you are looking for a lip gloss, I would recommend you to try this at least once. After makeup products, I have some daily essential products too. Like lockdown में आप बाहर तो जा नहीं पाओगे सामान लेने, तो it's better to purchase it online. So that's why I have some daily essential products. Okay, so I also got it from Nyka. This is the Livon Hair Serum. Livon Shake and Spray Serum. See, this is the packaging. This comes in a clear spray bottle with a spray nozzle. Details are mentioned. The texture comes out as a fine mist. It's lightweight, non-sticky and absorbed really quickly. It claims to provide cellular-like finish, frizz-free finish with shine. But honestly, it's just like hair fixing spray, which makes hair quite smooth and gives you a fresh hairstyle. You need to shake it and spray. Okay, so after this serum, I have another product from Delicious. This Lotus Herbals Tea Tree Wash Face Wash. Okay, so Lotus is one of my favorite brand, and this face wash is also from Lotus Herbals. I purchased it from my sister because she has oily skin. This face wash claims to remove excess oil, helps control pimple and acne. This product is formulated especially for oily skin. So if you have oily skin and you are looking for a good face wash, then give it a try. Next product is this Nivea Body Lotion Cream. Nivea Body Milk Lotion is a hydrating, rich and creamy body lotion which offers intense moisturizer. This body lotion is available in 3 size options: 75 ml, 200 ml and 400 ml. So here we have 400 ml with this pump pack. So if you have dry skin, I would highly recommend this product. This is it for today's video, and I hope that you guys really find this video useful. If yes, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel and send me a hi on my Instagram. And yes, अगर आप लोग प्लान कर रहे हो इन सारे इस हॉल की कोई भी प्रोडक्ट परचेज करने की फ्रॉम नायका, तो कमेंट डाउन एंड टेल मी. You can also DM me on my Instagram. Thank you for watching this video, guys.